Welcome to Uku Project Module Introduction. I am going to show you how to set up and use projects in Uku. First, let's set up the app. Open the Projects app in the settings. Activate the app if not activated already. First, let's navigate to the Project Fields tab. This list contains custom fields that the system has generated, but you can manage them according to your wishes and add more fields if necessary. I would like to focus on two types of fields, date and user. Date field helps to link tasks to start and end dates of the specific project, instead of an actual date. So for example, you can say a task is due 3 days before the start of the project. User field is good for setting up project roles, for example, assistant. I will show you during the process how the role is connected to an actual member. Now that the fields are set up, let's set up workflow templates. I will go to the Templates tab. It is possible to add a new template by clicking on Add, but I want to use the Uku system template Employee Onboarding as a basis for my own workflow, so I will click on it. First, I'll give the template a name, New Employee Onboarding, and then I want to check the workflow tasks. Let's see how the project task differs from a typical task in Uku. For the task, you can choose which status the project should be in so that the task will pop up on the dashboard. For example, if the status of the project is pending and the task requires the status in progress, it will not be displayed on the dashboard until the project has the status in progress. Next, the task must be made dependent on some time value of the project, in this case the start of the project. I changed this task to be handled 2 weeks after the start. For each task, it is necessary to assign an assignee. That may be a specific user, a user group, or a role. Here we select the role assistant and remove the manager. Okay. Just as it is possible to set up automated emails for any Uku tasks, we can also do that under a project task. Let's add an email template to the given task and choose the email to be sent from me, the recipient to be the project's main contact, and we use the previously entered email template and save the task and the new company template. So the setup is done and I want to start an actual project. Let's go to the list of projects in the main menu and add a new project called New Employee Onboarding. Client is my own company because it is an internal project. I will select who is the manager and who is the assistant in this case. I'll change the project status to be in progress, and we know that a new employee will join on the 22nd of April, and this for me will be the start of the project. Let's add the new employee as a contact. Here we can choose a workflow template for this project, or simply create new tasks for this project if we do not want to use any of the templates. But I do want to select the template we modified for our company. Here you can see that the tasks are already assigned to the right members, and this is thanks to the roles we set up and assigned in the workflow template. If you wish, you can change the tasks in this view, but I don't need to here, so let's just confirm the plan. The project card looks similar to the client card, but under the project there are also logs where you can see what changes have been made to the project, and the communication tab has emails related to this project. Let's go back to the project list and look at the overview tab. Here you can immediately see which tasks have been completed and which are overdue. Let's move to the client list. For example, let's open client Evergreen Catering. The project tasks are clearly distinguishable from the monthly tasks by the color at the end of the row. On the projects tab, you will find a list of projects related to this client. Let's take a look at the report also. Under the plus sign, you can select the project filter and choose which project you want more detailed information about. We select this month as the period, and if necessary, we can get more detailed information already from the tasks and time view. So, this is it, a brief overview of Uku projects. If you need additional information, check out our knowledge base, and of course our customer support is always happy to chat with you.